Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Yeah. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. You see? Yeah. Just some things man like you know about right about now. You understand? Alright, so I got the understanding that Minister Marian Hall, also known as Lady Saw, who is a well-known Jamaican musician from within the country of Jamaica, made a post on her Instagram page. And in my point of view, that post started to trend almost immediately when the post had been made on her Instagram account. And some assumptions had been made on social media based on the context of the post that had been made on social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, before I say certain things, I'm going to read words from that post to you, my viewers and subscribers. As I say, now listen up. See, to all Christians and non-Christians who's been coming up against me and my ministry, congratulations on your mission to take me down. You have successfully done so. I have decided to walk away from my calling and will no longer be doing any preaching on any social media platform. May the Lord forgive me. Now, viewers and subscribers, based on some comments that I saw on social media about the post that is being talked about on social media, I got the understanding that some persons on social media assume that Lady Saw intend to go back to dancehall music. You understand? Now, in my point of view, based on some things that I read in that post that had been made on social media by Lady Saw, I think that she merely pointed out that she's just going to walk away from her calling. See? I am not saying that she don't intend to go back to dancehall, but based on the context of the post that I saw, in my point of view, she did not specifically say that she's going back to dancehall. You understand? Yeah, that's one thing now, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But let's see how certain things happen over time. You understand? Yes, and I also saw a live recording on social media that shows a person who goes by the name of Tony Matterhorn. Now, Tony Matterhorn is a well-known selector or DJ, because some persons within the country of Jamaica will also call a selector a DJ, and some persons might call a DJ a selector. You see me? Now, Tony Matterhorn said some things in that video that I saw on social media that gave me the understanding that he said that Lady Saw is one of the kindest artists that you will ever meet in your life. Tony Matterhorn also said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that he said that when Lady Saw build a mansion, all of them girls in a dancehall, them did a build man, not shan. And he went on to say other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You see? Anyways, yes, I'm have left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And let me know what you think about the things that I just told you. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.